good afternoon, Mr.
Good afternoon.
What's your name?
My name is Ivan.
Oh, Mr. Ivan. How is
Yes.
life?
I'm good today.
Good. Okay. Well, what are your friends doing outside the room, Mr.?
What?
What are your friends doing outside the room?
Mr. Indah, I think.
What are they doing?
They are memorized.
Oh, they are memorizing and studying.
Yes.
Oh, I see. Do you always study before having interview?
Yes, I am.
Yes,
I'm
you
always
do.
studying.
Why? Why do you study?
Because a little of material may be lost in my mind, and I repeat it.
Okay, so you review